Everyone, in this series I will try to teach you how to use Google Cloud. In our first session I will guide you how to create um, S3, and you can say bucket similar to like AWS S3, and on the GCP we have a cloud storage bucket, we can say. And I will also guide you how to create a virtual machine on the GCP using GCP shell, or you can say using CLI. Okay, so I have a temporary account. If you want, you can create your own account. Google is offering $300 for 1 year for trial purpose. You can use whatever you can. This is good amount for the testing purpose. So here is a few points I have just write down for you. Sorry. Gcloud is the command line interface, and GCP service is the pre-installed Google shell. You can say Cloud shell, okay, and it's called is Gcloud. I will show you in a while, and you can create each and everything, virtual machines, manage the group instance and database, each and everything from the Cloud shell. A part of I have write some of the basic commands for the Google Cloud. You can use gsutel, okay, and BigQuery for the BQ, and Cloud Big Table is a CBT, okay, and as well Kubernetes managed service you can use kubectl. So first of all, I have just written down few of the 5 steps. I will execute one by one, and these steps I will put into the description box. So first of all, we need to go in to check the Cloud shell. Okay, I just go here, and this is my Cloud shell. I just click on here. This is a Cloud shell. I continue. This is brand new, and I will show you here is no any virtual machines at the moment. Okay, and just close that one, and this is the my Cloud. Okay, and at the moment there's no virtual machine. I just go to again my document. What I need to just first of all I need to create only one virtual machine on the Google Cloud. So I just copy that command from here. I will explain you on the shell and paste here. So what is doing basically Gcloud compute instance. What I'm doing to create, I'm trying to create a compute instance. It's create, delete or update. So at the time I don't have anything in my virtual instance portions or section, you can say. So that's the reason I'm just creating here. And what is the name which I use? So I'm using is a DevOps instance, which is my instance name. And image, which operating system do you want to use? You want to use any of the open source Windows like Ubuntu, CentOS, Red Hat, and Windows, whatever. So in my case, for testing purpose, the image family is equal to Red Hat 8, like I'm using Red Hat 8. If you want, you can use Ubuntu 22.04, CentOS 9, 8 point something or 7 point something, whatever you want. The project is like I can say Red Hat Cloud project, whatever you can use Red Hat according to your image. And here is also I'm mentioning the zone. I'm using the zone US Central A, which is free tier, okay. And machine type is the I'm creating this is a small machine and one standard one. So this is basically small machine I want to create in the demo purpose. Okay, I just type that command, and now I'm entering. So this is the first time. So this is my temporary account. I just log in first time. So first, this is only first time you need to authorize, okay, to grant the permission. So just authorized. It will take hardly few seconds to spin up the new machine for you. This is very easy and very handy. So my machine has been created. You can see the some detail. Name is equal to, like you can say, which I mentioned here is the DevOps instance. Okay, you can see here, and I just mentioned US zone. Zone is my here is my zone. Okay, it's US Central 1. Okay, machine type is equal to N1 standard. Okay, and here is the internal external IP and status is running. Let me just refresh the console. So you guys can see this machine has been spin up, and you can see the IP, internal IP 10.128.15.23, 10.128.15.213, and external IP is 34.70.169.242. So same is, so this is same machine. So I just created the machine. So now next task is I need to create a cloud storage bucket, how I need to create this cloud storage bucket. So here is the command. Okay, same region I'm using, so I just copy here. Before I'm just creating, I just like to show you. Here is my bucket section. Okay, cloud bucket, and you can see there's nothing, so I just copy and paste this command. Okay, and what I need to update the name, like I want to use the update name is, this is my bucket name, demo, DevOps demo bucket 1. You can use whatever accordingly your need. So I just replace this my bucket name. Okay, so Gcloud storage, again same, we are using the console. Okay, and storage is type is bucket, and create, I'm just creating. If updating and deleting, I will use update and delete. So this is GS is the Google service. Okay, and GCP is like a DevOps demo bucket 001. This is my bucket name, and which region I want to create. I want to create the region is US Central 1, because this is my trial account or demo account. So I'm just click enter here only, and just creating as, yeah, bucket has been created. Let me refresh. So you can see this is the my bucket and region is same, and whenever I create 9/7/9/26, this is the US Central Time, US Central Time. It's not my local time. Okay, so you can see this my has been, this bucket has been created. Now how we can delete the resources using Google Shell. So it's very easy. It's not much complicated. I just go here and I just copy this one. Okay, and copy this command, and first of all I need to delete my instance which I created earlier. Compute, I go to compute section. Okay, and control V. So what is my instance name? So I just use for the DevOps instance. I said you earlier, Google Cloud is okay. Compute instance, if you are creating, you use create. If you are deleting, you use delete. Okay, so in that scenario I'm using delete, and my region is same, US Central 1, and instance name, which instance you want to delete. If you have more than one instance, make sure you should use correct name. Okay, so it's asking me, are you sure you want to continue? I'm saying yes, I'm sure. It will take few seconds because check each and everything, also associate IP, region, image, disk. So that's the reason it takes few seconds. So this has been deleted. Let me refresh again my console. You can see there's nothing. Now again, how we need to delete the bucket. So I just go to cloud storage in the bucket. This is my bucket. Okay, go into my notes and I just copy from here. Okay, so using this bucket name, I can say DevOps -demo -bucket -001. So Gcloud storage RM. If you are familiar with Linux is, in the Linux you use the RM. For any storage you delete, you use the RM, or directory you want to delete, you use the RM. And recursive means some cases if you have some data inside the main folder, like main folder is main folder, I can say you in easy words, main bucket name. Okay, inside the bucket name you have some folders like data. So if you want to delete forcefully, then you should use recursively. If you not use recursively, it will not delete your sub directories or sub folders. Okay, so that's the reason I'm using recursive delete and bucket name. That's it. So its delete has been completed. Let me refresh. You can see there's nothing, no row in the display. So it means you can very easily create and delete your whatever resources from using Google Shell, which is very handy and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in next session.